Hi, my fellow beaded jewelry makers. This is Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and I hope you enjoy this short and sweet unboxing. I can't wait to show you what's going to be inside. For those of you who don't know, Potomac Beads only sells quality products. This month for April 2023, I'm going to be showing you close up everything inside the box as we're blooming into spring. I wish I could go back in time and tell myself as a beginning beader that getting a Potomac Beads subscription box would have been so worth it. It's really a great way to familiarize yourself with different beads, colors, and finishes, and start building up a stash that you can pull from to try different patterns. You can subscribe on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, or annual basis. The longer you subscribe, the greater the price break. In some months that works out to just about $1.50 an item, and that's pretty amazing. Plus, each month, Potomac Beads randomly puts 5 golden tickets in different boxes, and if you get one, you'll be able to receive a free prize. I really enjoy the mix of findings that they include in the subscription boxes. Bead caps, these button shanks, and pewter end cones with this etched silver finish. These Potomac Halo beads are pretty rose gold. I think they look nice around a pearl, but really can make any bead of your choice stand out. And there's also 10 grams of these Czech drop beads and a matte color mix. And speaking of mixes, they're calling this a spring color mix. It's an assortment of Czech glass shapes. And there's this huge 24mm Czech glass organic disc and size 11 MIYUKI Delica beads. I always love getting a branded tape measure. This comes in handy for projects. It's easy to keep on your desk and we'll be using it many times. Always looking for quality stretch strings. And I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet unboxing of the Potomac Beads April 2023 Treasure Edition subscription box. Check out the link in the description below for more information. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day.